Drip, 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 drip. Why? Water, water, water. Mysteriously not coming from. And I notice a little wet here. Ooh, and then I see. Now I guess I can't make it accentuate. But anyway, that crack, sure enough, that's a crack. Water comes out. Fingernail's dirty. Sure enough, let me turn on my spotlight. JK. But yeah, right in there. Crack. There's some crack smoking going on. Yeah! That's how I turn. That's how I run my washer up here on stilts. Go. Just kidding. Temporary hook up into the sink like that. There's just the power from the old washer. I mean dishwasher. I just took the wiring. Then the supply hose. Actually, I connected it to the hot water.